everyone, I just got back from the Samsung Galaxy S launch event, the launch of 4 new Galaxy S10 phones. You can see this is the S10 Plus here. The box has the same bold lettering that we've seen throughout this entire campaign. We've got white here. This is the Prism white phone and 128 gigabytes. When I move the box, you can very subtly see a little bit of iridescence, so that's kind of cool. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get the ceramic version because I really wanted to see what that was like. Okay, first thing I notice is a pull tab. That's new. It's nice because usually I have to dump it over and then catch it. Keeps the screen a little cleaner this way. I really am liking the iridescent look that I see right now. It's pretty. Now before I turn it on, I already see that there is a 6.4-inch display. That's a QHD plus resolution, and there are the 2 cameras on the front. That's how you know this is the Galaxy S10 Plus. We've got a 10 megapixel camera and then an 8 megapixel camera as well. Over on the back, we've got 3 cameras. We've got a regular 12 megapixel camera that is dual aperture, which means that the settings will automatically change in low light conditions to try to let in more light, get you a better shot. We also have...
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, let's do that later. All right. On the back, so we've got the 12 megapixel dual aperture lens, we've got a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and then we have an ultra wide angle 16 megapixel lens. So all 3 of these together are kind of what make the S10 camera system work. Here we've got the fast wall charger, a USB-A to USB-C converter dongle, and a box. This is the typical USB-C cable. So here we have a pair of AKG headphones with a braided cable, and that will help keep your cord from tangling up. And here are some ear tips of various sizes if these are too big or too small. So this was the quick unboxing of the Galaxy S10 Plus.